Nana do aban na end it. I end it.
No, but we need
to. But you make me curse yourself. I don't know. Prof.
Because we a teacher there. Now call class. Now call there. We have what we call the previous knowledge.
Mama no NC because me curse yourself so and son we huni am a person maker.
With it square.
And yes sir. Na why we are what man no. Ha. Me can say history is important.
Sure.
But a certain limit be a was say na it me make progress because aban no I end it the term end it na ya to aba no so no ye president so and sir president in the party na di ade anim pa in opposition and I don't really see nienti e was ye ka so much senior nana at what time with all due respect time one a bill no called a passy any time
we need to discuss all those things.
Me opinion is say.
What's your opinion?
Right?
Yes.
Say no a buy for fraba. A 9 months. So and in 9 months so many things have happened.
And more disappointing Ghanaians. More disappointing.
I don't want to talk too much about it.
You have to talk to it. You have to talk to the
not at this point.
But at what particular point?
At some point, you know, see, I'm a person me discuss.
What disappointing Ghanaians on this particular issue?
LGBTQ as someone ye can, and I make a say to me, you hear power right now, no, and it's a buyer for 9 months.
It's very important. We go to.
But you meet me,
Prof.
And I'm in Kasakakra.
Oh,
my nim Kasai pa me who so.
Now, but you are trying.
You are not letting me land the crowd. My point.
You are trying to set the conversation for ourselves. We don't need to revisit the past.
Was so allowed.
No, we allow me. No, so we don't come and set the conversation for ourselves. We don't need to revisit the past.
But you again na meet me aka.
We have to ask way.
Sure. Ni American say aban fofraba 9 months. And in the 9 months no, I know of one bill. Almost the core parliament I passing virtually overnight. That's the bill on your friend is the so-called D-levy.
D-levy, your friend is petroleum. One Ghana CD levy on petroleum.
The replacement for E-levy, no.
No replacement.
Aye. So ye E-levy no no buy. Into whatever bill we call it on petrol. Ghana for you name sabe omunim sa law no pa because omutuan every day. Ye passed this enormous bill, which brings into government about 6 billion cedis a year. Virtually overnight, it was passed by Parliament same day, and it was passed the same day. This tells Ghana for idea important to this government.
All right, that's fine.
That was the point I was trying to make. So there has been 9 months, and in 9 months, there have been bills of huge enormity in this country. I affected every Ghanaian. The government passes a bill within 24 hours. And we're sitting here talking about time one. Nanado, time was signing no they buy any other. And me dear, I
didn't know what saying how.
And the point in I'm making, which is we are able to pass a very serious bill within 24 hours. Until
you feel say almost like the political will.
Okay, how about I put it to Ghanaians? What do they think about it? If someone can pass a bill of that importance in one day, na NDC rep, time why and ye discussing how are dear way and ye why in the Ghana Hanomore Cassadia way ye pay. Yempe Sadia way.
Both MPP and this will be ampe. Chief Ghana Nibia Obiampe.
And you know, why would we even want to get too much into some of those details from my perspective?
All right.
Yeah, he and say bill no. Send you almost the buy me. When the bill came, so I was not a strong supporter of that bill. And the reason why I wasn't a strong supporter of the bill, then they say,
hey,
but you tell me you.
Now you're a supporter.
I wasn't.
Why?
But your mame kasai.
Oh, they don't say interaction.
Me say, yeah. Me no mechanic. Me penokre me kasas. Oh, Debbie. But I like to be straightforward. To make I was not a strong supporter. I'm not going to lie.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, make me a interaction.
Now reason here then.
Me reason is say, me my dream no. I mean, who law no by reading so much in detail because I didn't
the bill. It was the bill, no.
But sometimes 11 pages or so.
A bill because if it had been accented.
It would have been an act.
Sure.
So the bill ne buy ni enti me so much ne say. You see, at that time there was so many major issues, especially with the economy. I felt like the focus should have been there. Secondly, just like an MPSA was saying, me my dream ne say, when you look at the criminal code, okay, it already that type of sex, So we are all aware in this country say your law crano enforce.
Once Principal
Prof.
Well, to be cast and you now
it's okay.
But the here said they say. What's the reason why you were not in support of that bill? They say none you may do here, especially with the economy. So at this particular point in time, NDC are by under President John Dramani Mahama. If he also comes to tell you that, okay, none may be here in the economy, to which they would want to fix before they come to that bill, would they be justified?
No, they won't. They absolutely won't. They are the last people who should have that kind of a yikra to say, because they were the huge proponent. They did demonstrations on this. This thing really upset me, and so I feel strongly about it. I saw for than demonstrators at that time, and you will come when a dear way important to you to that extent. I expected so be drupa. It will be one of the first orders of business. That's what I expected. So Timasi, me Nanado, for instance, he said he had some issues on a human rights basis. Remember, law no hefty. It was not a simple the bill. Thank you so much.
All right, that's fine.
So entino nienti ameka say na me wo issues with it was the issue of timing and the secondly and finally nienti na me wo issue with it and say I felt like you see your code, your criminal code doesn't allow homosexuality to begin with. Okay? But and because of that knowledge, as far as I know, so now me feel say the main problem we may have advocacy. We need to make sure that we in my dream if we were focused, and I know some lawyers that talked about this law at that time, say simplify what we want to address, which to me was really the issue of advocacy. Let's make sure people don't come in and promote what we don't like. Simple. You don't teach it, you don't promote it, you are not allowed to do those advocacy because they are more impressionable.
All right, so you are talking about the criminal code section 104.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Which is the anal sex and all those things. So I felt why do we need such elaborate law that a bit more details now? Just say there were certain acts it can be seen as a criminal offense. So I felt like this thing was going too far. We don't need any of this. We just need to make sure and Crawford to me my promote to yempe. Simple. But instead it was getting into realms some human rights lawyers and all that had issues with the law. But at the end of the day, to me, going back and back and back and back is not a very productive. This is not to insult anybody.
Yeah.
But I feel like at this point, you know, omu advocate is a bill no. Omu na se say omu di abayenim. Go clean that thing. Don't change it and sign it so we can move on. That's all. We don't need to keep going back. Who didn't sign? Who didn't do what? And Ubia, on your opinion, my law na wie oma pass a bill no. It passed overwhelmingly in the parliament. Okay,
so I want you to take a listen to this.
Yes, sir.
The reintroduction of the controversial anti-LGBTQ bill in Parliament has suffered a setback after it was quietly removed from Wednesday's other paper. Take a listen. The bill, officially known as the Human Sexual Rights and Family Value Bill, had been listed for consideration on Tuesday, October 21st, but was absent from the business agenda the following day.
Yeah.
Explaining the development on the floor of Parliament, Majority Leader Mahama said, there was no need to relay the bill since it had already been passed by the previous Parliament and sent to the President for assent. We indicated that we thought the bills had been passed by this House already and had been sent to the Presidency for assent. And so we didn't see the need to reconsider a bill that has already been passed by this House, waiting for presidential assent. Asamoah, what they told a year, Emrashe Bidjafo, ni Ghana for any.
Intino say for
also bill only the other person now.
So a calm person like me. Nah, sometimes no, hot.
Almost say bill no, Oma pass the da. And there's no need passing the bill again. Good.
Sometimes I will say, it means say bibi, you know, and a pushing the panel. So I mean, look at this. This statement from the majority leader. So that whole time that the Parliament had been inside, this is not the first session of this Parliament.
Sure.
We did not know that this bill had already been passed and it was already been I mean, what miuni amenka bio miuni amenka
and the movie said mumwa penso amoye the then president Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ntimi amfa ne san hyase no ofi say ebia na omuso moye no.
Oh, chief, sisi ade me, I would rather not express too much of my opinion on this because Ghana fo nyina eti no. Ghana fo nyina, they are very smart. Sometimes we can be quiet, we can be calm, but we've all seen what Ghanaians are capable of.
All right, mama nas.
Enti na hia se me metre se sa agro no mu dio, se nya agro no mu dio, but ye nyina ye nwin se the facts as they speak for themselves. The fact is that now the majority leader is telling us, Ghanaians, say all along they didn't need to change anything. It's ready to be signed. Unless I'm not understanding. Intinu, they did not know. And that man, I know he's a lawyer. Meboa.
But let me continue with the story.
What else can I
Ayariga noted that unless the constitutional procedure for returning the bill to Parliament is triggered by the President, the House has no business debating it again. So it means that Ntino
Sesiano Ghana fo nyina what the majority leader is saying is it's basically in the hands of the president.
Sure, that's it. And
in this case, I will make a prediction here. It looks to me, say we a technicality, and I'm not expecting the president to trigger anything. That's what I believe. Okay, I'll be very honest with you. As I said, it doesn't look like they want to sign it, and yet we are here a ye kasi nanado and answer.
Look at what they are doing.